Hey guys, this is our part 8, and in this part we are going to attach setOnClickListener in our list item. So let's begin. So first of all, go in our list item layout part, and this is our root layout, and just provide ID to it, naming list item root. So list item root, and now go in our adapter package, create a new Kotlin interface naming adapter click listener. So click li, yes, and here within our interface just declare a function naming click listener and pass our article. So article. Now go in our news paging adapter, create a constructor, and within here pass our adapter click listener. So adapter click listener, yes, this one. And within our onBind view holder, just use holder dot view data binding, take root, and here pass our list item root set on click listener. So, and by using our adapter click listener, we have function click listener and pass our article in it. So we have item, and that's it. Now go in our news fragment. So here a fragment, news fragment, and just implement adapter click listener or implement method which is click listener. So this is our method, and now the article which we are sending from this click listener, we are getting in our news fragment. So here what we'll do, we simply find our nav controller, and by using our navigate function we simply navigate r.id. We have only one action, news fragment to detail fragment, and just create a bundle of article. So article, and just pass our article in it. So that's it. What it will do, it will, if you click on this list item, so it will jump on the news detail part, news detail fragment, and show the details of this particular list item where you perform your click. So before wrapping up this part, we have to pass our adapter click listener this, because this class will actually implement this adapter click listener interface. So now go in our navigation file and go in our response part, which is I think in retrofit response, and we have articles. So just annotate it with parcelize. So yes, this one parcelize, implement parse label. So parse label, and we have source. So go in our source and also annotate it with parcelize and implement the same parse label. So parse label, sorry, yes, parse label interface. Now go in our navigation file and just plus, naming is article, type is custom parse label, and you can see just these two things. So choose article, it is nullable, default value is null, and add to it. So that's it, actually perform in this video. So in this video we creating our adapter click listener and attach this adapter click listener in our news paging adapter, so that if anybody click on this list item, it will jump on the detail fragment and show the detail of that particular list item. So that's all. We will meet in our next video, and where we can design our news detail part and show the details to the user. Okay, so bye.